Tired of that annoying keyboard click every time you type? I'm going to show you how to silence your Android keyboard in just a few taps. First, unlock your phone and head to the settings app. The icon usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Scroll down until you find sound and vibration. Tap on it. This section controls all the audio and haptic feedback settings on your device. Now, look for system sounds, vibration control. Depending on your Android version, it might be labeled slightly differently, such as system sounds or advanced. Tap on it to access the keyboard settings. Here, you should see options for controlling the sounds and vibrations related to your keyboard. Find the toggle switch next to keyboard sounds and flip it to the off position. This will disable the click sounds when you type. You can also disable keyboard vibration here too, by turning off the switch next to keyboard vibration. This will stop your phone from vibrating every time you press a key. That's it. Now you can enjoy a quieter and less distracting typing experience. Your ears and those around you will thank you.